Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu Scholarship Exam Standard 5th. This is online class for subject Intelligence Test. The topic is Comprehension following instruction. Now this video is the video second for the exercise 1.1. In a previous video, we have already covered the question 1 to 15. Now in this video 2, we will cover question 16 onwards up to the question 30. Please open your books, Navneet Digest on page number 102 onwards the question 15. In previous we already covered up to the question 15. This one up to the question 15. Now we will start from question 16. So the question 16 is, when the person at your home showed me the cartridge, I was literally speechless because of surprise. This is the sentence. In the sentence given above, how many times the consonant immediately followed as well as proceeded by a consonant? Means we have to find out such a consonant which is followed by a consonant and proceeded by immediately consonant. Means these three all are should be in a group of the consonant. Okay, means continuously three consonants should be one group. Like this one, how many times these groups are comes, so that we have to count it. So first, so we have to follow such a group which is repeatedly how many times, but it should be in a word. Okay, we could not be form of or find out in a sentence. So now from the beginning, in a vein, this word in the vein, if you see, the only four letters are there. Even E is the at the middle, which is vowel. Then here the vowel is there. In a person, E and O, but only the two consonant. So this will also not. In your means Y O. These are the two vowels. Home, not possible. O and E vowels are there. In showed, O and E are there. Then me, only two letters. In a D, only three, but with a vowel. Then cartridge, see, this is the vowel, and then this one also, and at the last E also. But in this A and I, there are the three letters R, T, R. Okay, so now this is the first. Okay, then if we look forward, then I was only A is there. Then literally in this one, the one vowel and the A also, and after this one, the three group means L, L, Y. Okay, here I vowel, so this will not happen. So this is the second. Okay, then speechless. In the speechless, CHL, here the two vowels and then one vowel here also. So this is the one group, so this is the third. Then because here the vowels and vowels here also. Then surprise, vowels and then these vowels, but in these two vowels there are the one group of the consonants. So this is the fourth one. So total how many? Fourth. So fourth means the option number 3, 4. Okay, so this is the correct option. Now move to the question number 17. In the sentence of question 16, means the same here I already taken. How many times does a pair of vowels occur? Now in this question 16, we have counted the group of three continuous consonant. Now, in this question 17, what they are asking, pair of vowels, means the two continuous vowels we have to find out. In this one, if you see here the E and then R consonant not happen, then OU. This is the one pair. Okay, so this is the first one. Then showed the here not possible. I just mark out the first vowels. Okay, so this is on this one, then this one, and the A, then I, E, A. Then these are the two. Okay, this is also so second. This is the second group, and then E, E, A, U. Okay, this is the third group. Then O, then U, I, and E. This is not. So only the three groups we have found. Okay, means the three times. So this three is given in the option number 2. So this option number 2 is the correct. Then question 18. Here the some letters are given in the above series. This is the series already given. So how many times is the letter J immediately followed? So J immediately followed by T. Okay, by T, but not immediately proceeded by T. So here except the T something different. Okay, means only the J and the T. Okay, so these two words we have to find out. So in this one, if you see the J and T, where are the J and T here? The J and T here, but which is proceeded by the T. So this condition cannot be. What way our condition? The J will followed by the letter T, but not proceeded by the T. Okay, so except this T, another word should be another letter should be there. So in this one, the T is the at the procedure, so it should not be. After that one, the J and T here one, and which is proceeded by the R. So this is the one group. Okay. Then later J and T also there here, this JT, but proceeded by the T. So this is not our answer. So this is not our confirmed group. So only one group we have found where the G and T with a one consonant as a proceeded. So only one means the answer three ones. Okay, so this three answer is the correct one. Then move to the question 19. If the letter of the word productive are written in a reverse order, which letter will occur at the third place from the right end? Means we have to first make the reverse order. Means in this one, now this is the regular means correct order. Now we have to write down in a reverse order. So E will be the comes first, E, then V, then I, T, C, U, then D, O, R, and then P. Okay. Now this is the reverse order. Okay, of this word. Now in this one, the another condition, which letter we have to found the letter which occur at the third place from the right end. From the right end, third place. So the third place is the this is the first, then second, and this third. So the letter is the O, and O is given in option number 4. Then question number 20. It is raining heavily. Okay. In this sentence, this is the sentence. In this sentence, which is the letter at the fifth place from the letter H? So letter H, where is the letter H? Letter H is here. Okay. So this is the letter H. Fifth place from the letter H to its left side. To its left side means from this one. So we have to count the fifth place. So which one is the fifth from the letter H? So 4 means first, second, third, fourth, and this fifth. So this one letter N is the fifth one. Okay, from the letter H. So the answer N is given in option number 2, which is correct one. Now question number 21. In a given alphabetical series, which letters are repeated the same number of times? Which letters are repeated at the same number of times? So we will count the A first. So 1, then 2, 3, 4, 4 times. So A is the 4 times. Okay. Then B 1, 2, 3. So B is letter 3 times. Then C 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So C is 5 times. Then letter D 1, 2, 3, 4. So letter D is the 4 times. Okay. After the D again B. So there is no another letter is given. So A, B, C, and D. Which letters are repeated the same numbers of times? So same numbers means 4 and here 4. So these are the same numbers. So A and D. So A and D is given in option number 1. Let's move to the question number 22. From the group of letter N, D, W, E, O, R. These are the letters given. Form a meaningful word. We have to form a meaningful word. What is the synonym of word formed by the letters? At the third place from the right and second place from the left of this word. So first we have to found the meaningful word. Okay, so here W, these are the wonder. Okay, this is the word form of wonder from this word. Now what is the synonym of this word formed by the, what is the synonym of the word from by the letters at the third place from the right, from the right third place, first, second, and the third? So D, where to write down the first D, and the second place from the left side, from the second from the left. So 1 and 2, so O is there. So DO, this is the another word form of. Now what they are asking, the synonym of the word do. This is the word. Now we have to found the synonym which is available in option 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now in this one, if you see, do means what? Exactly the carrying the actions. But in option number 1 there is action. Action is somewhat be synonyms of the do, but not exactly. So carry outing do, we are saying sometimes do that action. So action and the do both are not correctly. The must is not correctly, always is also not correctly. The perform, now this perform means very close to the word do. Action is not perfectly close to the do. Okay, so synonyms of the do is the perform, to carry out. Okay, so that's why this option 4 is the correct one. Now question number 23, some letters already given here. Which letters occur at the middle place and the eighth place from the right end? Middle place and the eighth place from the right end in the above series. So first we have to find out the letter which is middle place. So first we will make the something grouping from this side, this side. So one here, one, then two, three, then two, three. Just I count them here. The suppose three groups here, three groups here again three. I separate here three I separate. So K. So this first word we got the K. Then eighth place from the right. Eighth place from the right. From the right side we have to find the eighth place. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. So Y. So here the Y. K and Y. So K and Y where is available in option number 3. So in option number 3 they are the given K and letter Y. So that's why this option number 3 is the correct one. Let's move to the question number 24. Pinku peacefully and patiently completed the paperwork prior to the prescribed period. How many times is the letter P followed immediately by the vowel E? Now we have to follow the letter P, which is immediately by the letter which is followed immediately by the vowel E, means PE. These continuous two letters of group we have to found out. So first Pinku, in this one PI is there, so not then PEACEFULLY means peaceful. So in this one P is there. So this is the first. Then patiently. Then there is the PA. Then completely there is the PL. Then paper. In a paper P is there. So this is the second in a paper. Then prior there is the PR. Then to the prescribed, and then period. In a period PERIOD. So there is the third one. So PE is there. So this is the third one. So we found the three times. So that's why the option number 1 there is the mention 3, that is the correct one. Question number 25. How do they play? In this sentence, which letter occur twice each? So two times which letters has occurred. So first from the left we will start to count. So first we will choose the H. H is here the 1, then the 2. So H is 2 times. Then O, this is the 1 2. Okay, the O is the 2 times. Then W, here the 1. Okay, W is only the 1 time. Then D, 1, only 1 D. Then O already we have counted. Then T, here the only 1 time. Okay, so T is the 1 time. Then H already we have counted. E, here only 1 time. So E is the 1 time. Then Y here the 2 times. So Y is 2 times. Then P 1 time only. Then L 1 time. Then A 1 time. Y already we counted. Okay, means H, O, and Y. These are the three letters we got which are repeated twice. So in option 1, they are the given H, O, and Y letters. So that's why this option 1 is the correct one. Now, question number 26. Give me the strength lightly to bear my joys and sorrows. In the statement, how many times vowels have occurred? So we have to count the vowels. So in a give, I is there, then E is there. So if you count from the sentence, So just I repeatedly the vowels from the U to the at the last sorrows. Okay. So I one, then E two, then again E three, then in a D E is there, the fourth one, then strength E, then light I is there, then in a T O two O is there, then beer E and A is there, then my joys in a joys O is there, then and in and a is there, and last word sorrows o and again o is there. So if you count from the starting to the end, there are the 13 times vowels are there. So the question 1, 13 times is the correct one. Which are the vowels? Sorry, a e I o u. These are the vowels. We have to just count how many vowels are there, whether that is the repeatedly words also. So that numbering we have to give it here. From the 27 question, from the group of letters, here the mention the group of the letters, form a word three letters whose antonym is the word begin. The word begin, the opposite of the beginning. Okay, so we have to form this found this word. Before that one, we have to look at these letters. So begin, opposite of the begin. So look at the options. First option set, then second net, then third PUN. PUN the no meaning. Okay, so this is not our correct option. And the fourth E and D end. Okay, if we look at the begin, begin opposite means end. Okay, whether that is present in our letters. So E, then N and the D. Okay, means the option is the correct one. Just look at the option 1 and the 2. There is the set and the net, which is not a antonym of the begin. So that's why the option 4 is the correct one. Now move to the question 28. Form a meaningful word from the letter. Here are the letters and select its middle letter. If you look out these letters, we can get a meaningful word forgive. Okay, Forgive. Okay, this is the one meaningful word we can make. In this one, select the middle letters. So here the two, here the two, then again, then one, and then one means the G is the at the middle. So G is present in option number two. Then question number 29. Which word does not bear the similar meaning of the word help? Now means we have to found such a word from the option which is not a bear similar meaning of the help. So first we will take the give. Give means what? Offering something or some. Okay, so this is not related to the help. Okay, now aid. Okay, so aid is the related to the help. Okay, and assist means something supporting or helping. Okay, so this is also the meaningful word related to this one. And the third one, back, means the supporting or something, we can say help back. Okay, so this is also the similar bearing words. But the word give is offer, so which is not related to the directly related help. Okay, so that's why this give is the different one, because in a question what we are asking, which of the word does not bear the similar meaning. So this question, option number 2, 3 and 4 are the somewhat be similar bearing words. Okay, so that's why the option 1 is the different one. So which is correct one. Now question 30. Make the meaningful word taking the second letter from the given words. These are the some words we have given: play, I, then hence, then score, peer, frog. Which letter will be at the third place from the right end in this meaningful word? First we have to take all the second letter from given words. So in this play, which is the second, so L is there. Then in IV, which is the V is there. Then second, the third one, hence. In a hence word, the second letter is the E. Then score, here the C. Then peer, here the E. Then frog, here the R. Now in this one, if you see LVECER, these are the letters we got from this given words after choosing the second letter. Now these letters are here. We have to form one meaningful word. So if we try to make it the meaningful word, at the last we get the clever. Okay, CLE, then VER. This is the meaningful word. Now the condition is that which letter will be at the third place. third place from the right end, from the right end of this meaningful word. We got the meaningful word. Now from the right side we have to count the third one. So this is the first, second and the third. So V is the letter, and this V is given in option number 2. So that's why this option number 2 is the correct one. So students, here we finish our exercise 1.1 completed. Now in the next video we will start our comprehension 2 number series. Till then, bye.